So this is a video on how to replace the electric receiver module on a ProRoll electric roller shutter. And as you can see, we're starting off with the canister fully disassembled as it would be out the box. I'm just going to show you how to replace this box. That will come with two new key fobs, as you can see here, and as well as the Bluetooth button here. So the first thing you want to do is take off this front panel here. As you can see, it's held on by two 10mm nuts on either side. So first thing to do is to take these off, and once you've got both of those nuts off from either side, you can pull the panel completely off, and that will show the fixings for the receiver module underneath. So this is how it will look once you've got that front panel off. As you can see, this is the receiver module here, mounted on by two Phillips screws here and here, and the electrics going in behind the receiver module there. First thing you want to do from here, using a Phillips screwdriver, is just to undo these two screws, just one on either side. And that should allow you to pull the box out from inside the canister, and you can unplug it from there and replace it with the new one. So you're going to want to unplug this yellow and brown cable here, as well as this longer one feeding down to the left hand side here, where the wiring loom plugs into the shutter. So again, just two Phillips screws holding this little plate on there. If you get those undone, you can take the cable out and fully unplug that as well. So with the old box removed, you can see we've got the both the blue and grey cable with plug and the yellow and brown there. So the blue and grey one will come from here, going into the motor for the shutter. The yellow and brown will be going to the light here, as you can see. So what you want to do is get the new module, sort of unwrap it and take off the Bluetooth button so you don't lose that, and then basically follow the same steps in reverse to sort of re-plug that in. So at this stage you need to pull through all the wiring from the new module in through the large hole here, and back out through the smaller grommet on the front there. And once the box is seated back in place, you're going to want to plug the yellow and brown cable into the one on the right hand side going into the light, and the blue and grey cable here into the shorter cable coming out of the grommet there. So once you've got that wired in as shown here, you want to use the same plate over this side to sort of secure that longer black cable, using the same screws and plate as before, and that's where the loom will plug into back into the canister. And so the last thing to do from there is just to refix the front plate here, again with the same 10mm screws that are taken out, and just be sure that the hole here lines up with the motor disengaged there, and yeah, that's everything. So if you've got the electric still plugged into the vehicle, it's a good idea to just plug it into this canister at this point and just check that everything works with the new keys and the new fobs, and yeah, then you should be all set.